So in this video, I'm going to share how to make money on TikTok in 2025, the simplest way possible to make the most amount of money online, and how you can do this with no experience whatsoever. I started this last year and I've made over £100,000 doing it. So if I can do this, absolutely anyone can. So watch this video. I'm going to share through a whole tutorial, a sort of a training that you can literally follow to make money on TikTok in 2025. So let's get straight into the video. By the way, if you want a whole 1 hour free course, just click the link in the description. You'll be able to just go and get instant access to that. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do it, as you can see, is selling digital products online. And I'm going to give an example of what a digital product is. As you can see here, loads of different examples. I'm going to share the best ways you can actually market these digital products, a simple way you can do it, obviously putting it into simpler terms, and how you can actually use digital products and sell them on TikTok to make money, which is what everyone wants from this video, isn't it? So firstly, the best way to make money on TikTok is by selling digital products. There's TikTok Shop, there's stuff like that, but digital products is what's helped me made over £100,000. And yeah, if I can do this, absolutely anyone can. So what are digital products? So firstly, what are digital products? And again, this is how anyone can make money doing this, by the way. So you've got your digital products. So that could be an ebook, a PDF, or like a course perhaps. You've then got, say for example, you've got a fitness ebook or a PDF or even a fitness coach course or something. You've then got your product, and then obviously you need somewhere to actually promote the digital product. So this is where social media actually comes into play. So if we look at, obviously you've got the digital product, you now need social media, don't you? So you've got the digital product and now you need actually, to actually send traffic to your product, which is what you want essentially. So you've got your digital product, now you need your traffic, and now you're going to get that social TikTok and Instagram, but we're going to focus on TikTok today. So you've got your social media platform. This can be done faceless, as you can see here, can be done completely faceless. You've got your TikTok, essentially going to be your traffic, how to promote. So again, going back to how can you actually make money on TikTok, I'll get more into this, but TikTok is absolutely massive. You can go viral with literally posting anything on there, and if you can turn it into money, there's a lot of money to be made in this. So you've got your digital product, you've got social media, and now what you need is an audience. So you've got your audience, which is going to be your views, and in the long run, your customers. So you've got your digital product. You then need people to actually see your digital product, don't you? So on TikTok, I'll be promoting free valuable tips for whatever your digital product is. Again, if you're a fitness coach, if you're a travel guide, travel agent, something like that, you want to be promoting free tips online on TikTok so that people can see your digital products and see that if you're giving away loads of free information on TikTok, then what on earth is going to be in your £10 product, £20, £50 product? They're going to be really interested. So once you've got people looking at your TikTok, you then need an actual audience, don't you? That is what you need customers. So once you've got TikTok up and running, you're doing free valuable tips. And again, this is like the simplest way of me putting it, by the way, but this is how you can make money on TikTok in 2025. You've got your digital product, you've got people on TikTok looking at your videos, you've now got an audience, which are your views, people commenting, people liking, people sending it to their friends, their mum, saying, look at this product, or look at this, you should stop eating this and buy this program, and it will tell you good food alternatives, stuff like that. You've then got an audience, which is essentially your customer. Then with your audience of people from the actual videos, you then want them to go to your store, don't you? That is the main aim. You want people to actually go to your store, which is the base of your actual business. So once you've got your audience from TikTok, you want to then direct them to your store, which is where your products are. And I do talk about this more in the 1 hour free course in the link in my description, by the way. But just going off of like a quick explanation how you can make money on TikTok. Going back to the top, you've got your product, you've got TikTok, you've now got views, let's send them to your store. Once they have obviously gone from they've seen you on TikTok, you want people to actually go to your store. So how can we get people to do this? And I'll share more of this later in the video. But ultimately, you want people going to your store because otherwise you can't make any money, which is like the reality of this. If you don't have a store, where are people going to be buying your products from? Again, you get paid for views on TikTok and stuff, but that's a video for another day. This video is simply how you can make money on TikTok by selling digital products. So people have clicked to your store, they then see that you've got products, and then bang, you make a sale. That's the simplest way of putting it. So again, just to run through it all again, how can anyone make money doing this? You can create a digital product, ebook, PDF, create that on Canva for once. You then promote it on TikTok, can be done faceless again, as I shared before. And then you've got your audience. So you're getting views from TikTok, you're then sending them to your store, and then bang, you're getting them as a sale, which is what everyone wants, isn't it? So that is the quickest way of putting it. So we'll get into more depth now. So what is a type of digital product? So again, you could be in the parenting or you wanted to create a parenting and childcare product. So for example, you've got your parenting and childcare products, baby milestone tracker, you've got your kids nature exploration journal, parenting with special needs children ebook. They're all different types of digital products. Anyone can create them. On Canva, there's loads of templates of baby milestone trackers. If you wanted to get into the social media niche, actually helping people with social media, then you've got all these different products. You've got social media content planners, growth guides, program resale rights and affiliate. And again, there's a whole 50% affiliate program in the link in the description, the Digital Wealth Simplified one. There's like 21 modules of these exact videos that you're watching, and you get one-to-one support. So definitely go and check that out. You can affiliate for that as well. So if you wanted to go down the social media niche and start helping people on social media, that's a good one to go for. You've then got your fitness and health niche. You've got your healthy meal prep recipe ebook, nutrition coaching guide, calorie tracker. Fitness is really good niche to actually go down, by the way, if you were thinking of doing something like that in the TikTok region. Travel products, you've got travel itineraries, guides to do in Thailand, travel checklist. I've done a bit of this in terms of travel guides, and I know they work very well, so they're really good examples of products to go by. So now that you've got your examples of products, you can see here, you've got your product. You now want to set up a TikTok page, and I'll do another video on this later, but I just want to share the base of how you can make money on TikTok. You've got your digital product, you can send them to TikTok. You've got your digital product, you want to then create videos on TikTok, providing value, educating people every single day. Again, if you're doing like a travel guide perhaps, you could have it faceless, so you could just find videos of like Thailand, Paris, loads of these places around the world, and put them onto social media and then say, click the link in my bio for my travel guide, but I'll get onto that anyway. But if you're doing it as like a parenting or childcare products, you could actually share your journey as being a parent, or if you're in a social media niche, you could share how you got 1 million views on a random video. If you haven't got that yet, don't worry, but if you're an affiliate, perhaps, you could be on social media saying how this affiliate program's helped you or the stuff that you've learned from it, and then you could obviously then get people in via that affiliate program. Just ways you could do it. Then with this, you'll obviously get views, and again, that's what you want, customers. Send them to your store, which is, again, the big thing that we want to be doing here. And then again, you're just leading them to a sale, which is the ultimate goal here, isn't it? So that is just a quick way of putting this. So adding on to this video, how to make money on TikTok in 2025, here's some ways you can sell. Like, it's not an actual way of like, okay, you need to be sending 50 messages out a day. That's not what I'm going to teach you in this. Once you get messages, you want to be able to close them in the DMs. You want to actually make money. So I'm just going to share some tips and ways you could technically make sales on TikTok and actually get people to your store. So there's 3 ways. You've got selling in the DMs, link in bio, and automation in DM. Again, they're all as powerful as each other. So you've got selling in the DM, automation. So say, for example, we've got someone commented info to, and you might have seen this video on TikTok, you come to this video from TikTok, you might say comment info and I'll send you my free guide perhaps. Once someone said comment info, or they've said, or you've said in the video, comment info, I'll send you a message, they've commented info, you then need to acknowledge the interest, so then message the viewer. So it could be something like, hey, I saw you comment info, do you need any help with this and that perhaps? Qualify the interest as a lead at least. So you don't want to just make money straight away. If you've been watching my videos before, you know what a lead magnet is. If not, then watch the 3-hour course in the description. You'll learn a bit more about that. But you want to qualify the interest as a lead. So someone's commented because they want to learn something from you. That's why they've commented, or they're interested in what you have to offer. So qualify the interest as a lead at least. So you don't just want to be making money straight away. I mean, yeah, it's great. We all want that. But you want to get them as somebody that you can get their email and you can market to them for the rest of your life as a lead at least. So for example, say Tim has commented info because he wants to learn more about the weight loss plan that you have. Acknowledge the interest and message him saying, hey Tim, I saw you wanted to learn a bit more. Here's my free guide, and then you could send them the free guide or tell them to click the link in your bio, which I'll get onto next. And then at least you've got someone to download your free guide, and then you'll be able to market for the rest of your life, email marketing, all that type of stuff, but you'll learn all of that anyway, so don't worry. And then simply just repeat, and that's it. So you've got link in your bio. Whenever there's an interest, lead the link to your bio. That's simply it. So for example, if you get a comment by anyone, so it's something like, oh, I'm really interested in this, or can you help me more? just say go to the link in my bio, you can get my free 1 hour course, you can get my program, you can get my whatever it may be. Just get them to do something on your page, and then they will come back, or you'll be able to qualify them as a lead and essentially just market to them forever, which is what you want to do. You want to be making sales. Again, when people get your free guides, don't be like, oh, I've only had people downloading my free stuff today. Okay, but that's more people than if you didn't have something for free. They've seen something what you have to offer for at least for free, and in the long run they will come back to what they bought for free, and then they'll buy your program. Simple as that. So that's sales techniques. Now we've got what to post on TikTok. So there's different types of posts and meanings. So you've got carousels, as you can see here. I'm just taking these from my TikTok, by the way, if you haven't seen them on there. Same as my name on here, Charlie Marketing Income. So TikTok, you've got different types of posts, and carousels, which is the first one, are really good for views. That is what you want. It's essentially loads of different pictures that you can upload rather than just posting a video on TikTok. You can actually do pictures, which is a bit old school like Instagram, but it's really effective. So as you can see here, I've just got a picture of me and my girlfriend, and I've just done a sort of like a storyboard type video. Simple font, heading, so all fits on the screen, not too much wording, no extravagant fonts, just use the simple fonts that TikTok give you. And again, this is the quickest way I can essentially give this to you guys so that you can go and start posting, create your own niche or whatever it may be, create your own products so that you can start making money on TikTok, because this is what I do and I have done for the last sort of 10 months now. So if I can do this, anyone can. But again, the DWS down below, you can go and start that yourself and just go and learn all of this. But in this video, I'm going to just share as much as I physically can for you. You've then got your writing down here. It's small enough writing to be seen and obviously catch attention. Keep all the writing on the screen because TikTok won't push it out otherwise. That's just, well, it's as harsh as it sounds. They just won't push it out. You want to be actually storytelling. You want to be sharing your journey. It's perfect for engagement. People will scroll no matter what to your video, your actual pictures, which equals more views. And again, when people are watching your TikToks for longer, the more views you'll get, because TikTok will see it as, okay, people are watching this, let's push this out to even more people, and that's when you get these viral videos. The longer people watch your video or carousel for, the more people TikTok will share it to. That's just another tip for you. So storytelling, sharing your journey, etc. can share a lot of info and call to actions in one post. So when we're saying about click the link in my bio or comment info down below, you've got all these ways that you can do it on carousels, because you could do them in individual posts, somewhere just small on the screen. So that is the power of carousels. That is carousels, and here's the power of carousels. So as you can see, 60,000 views from one video, carousel, and 14,000 views on this one itself. As you can see, 200 comments as well. So that's the power of carousels. And again, just here, you can see storytelling, how I went from being a tradie to where I am now. And then people relate with me, followers, sales. So my story as a 20-year-old. That is just a way of doing TikTok. And this is the best way that you can do it, especially great for views. As you can see here, I've sort of highlighted carousels as the ways you can post on TikTok. That is what I would do if I was first starting out, because you don't need to create any videos for it. You don't need to share your face. You don't need to be posting like I have. That is just a way that you can post on TikTok without recording loads of videos, because you've got loads of photos on there, especially if you wanted to go down like the fitness route or the travel niche, etc. You can get pictures from anywhere, like on social media or on Google, and essentially just create sort of storytelling, sharing your journey, and then call to actions, click the link in my bio to get my weight loss planner or travel guide, and then just repeat, and that is simply it. So to wrap this video up, we're just going to go back to this. How can anyone make money doing this? And in simpler terms and short terms, to make money on TikTok in 2025, you need to have a digital product. That could be an ebook, a travel guide, itinerary, fitness guide, anything like that. You need to have an ebook, PDF. You need to promote on TikTok. It can be done faceless, as you can see. That is what you want to be doing as the base. A digital product, promoting on social media, TikTok, and actually getting traffic to your page. That could be sharing free tips, being educational, that type of stuff. Then once you're posting on TikTok, you're then going to get an audience, which is what you want, customers. So when people are liking, your views are going up, they're seeing what you have to offer, and that's from TikTok alone. It's crazy. You can get a 1 million view video literally tomorrow. Your first post can go viral, and that is it. And then essentially when you get your audience, you want to then redirect them to your store, which is where you'll make the money. That is, I use Stand Store. I'll drop a 14-day free trial for you down below. So when you get an audience, views on TikTok, send them to your store, and then they'll see what you've got for offer, i.e. your digital products. And again, there's a 1 hour free course in the link in my description if you want to learn more on this. But in the big reality of things, you want to be making money, and that is where this comes in, the sale. So you've got your digital product, promote on TikTok, you'll get your audience, redirect them to your store, and then bang, you've got your sale. And that is how to make money on TikTok in 2025, the simplest way of putting it. Again, there's a free 1-hour course in the link in my description. Just go and watch that, or join the Digital Wealth Simplified, where there's literally 21 plus modules, one-to-one support from me, and you can literally do what some of the members are doing. Some people have made £20,000 in digital product sales. It's just absolutely incredible. So yeah, I will see you in the next video, and comment in the description. Comment down below what type of videos you want to see next. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this one.